Are you a parent? Or do you guide or coach a student? This video offers helpful information for those who have the observer role in Buzz. Do you want to know when your student has received teacher feedback or a score on a submission? Would you like to be notified if your student's score drops below passing? As an observer, you can set notification preferences to receive updates. To set your preferences, click on your name in Buzz and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find Notifications Preferences. Verify your email address. Next, under Observer Notifications, select the type of notifications you would like to receive and how often you would like them delivered. Select Save to save your settings. As an observer, you can view recent activity, upcoming content, and any tasks your student has due in the next 7 days, as well as any tasks that are past due. You must first select the student whom you want to observe. Click on the student's name. By doing this, you are navigating like your student, but not as your student. After clicking the student's name, you will be directed to their home page, viewing Buzz as the student views it. You will see these tabs: Courses, To-Do List, and Activity Stream. The Courses tab displays the course cards for each course in which the student is enrolled. The To-Do List shows upcoming assessments, while the Activity Stream lists recent activities in all courses. Each course card has a grades icon. Click on the icon to view the student's grades in that course. You can also view feedback from teachers, due dates, and other information here. By clicking on Activity, you can view your student's active time spent in the course. To support learning, teachers have the option of assigning items to individual students. If a teacher has done this for your student, you can view these items in the For Me section. To see an overview of the student's grades, click on Main Menu and select the Grades icon from the compressed menu at the top. This is a simple way to view all of your students' courses at once. Then choose a course name to see the grade details. If you should ever need additional help or navigation support, please view our Buzz Observer resources in the Lincoln Learning Help Center. You are on your way to observing, tracking, and supporting your students.